Hey guys, what's going on? This is Brandon with Octane Driven. Just got my CNT Racing Catless Downpipe in the mail. Getting ready to install it. Got the defouler also. Alright guys, I'm going to show you what you need to take loose and what to do. Right up there's the V-band clamp to get the downpipe off from the turbo. You can see one of the wires for the O2 sensor. We're going to have to undo that. And then back here, you've got your hangers for the downpipe, and then the bolts going to the catback. We'll have to take those loose and should come right out. Alright guys, to get your cat back off of the downpipe, you'll need a 15mm socket. Undo the two bolts, as you can see right in there. Then you'll need a 10mm socket to get the two bolts off of the bracket that holds the downpipe on. Then there's two connectors up there you will unplug for the two O2 sensors. Then you will need a 13mm deep well socket to fit this band clamp, and a long extension and a 3/8 ratchet, and take that off, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward removal. Alright guys, I got the clamp loose on the downpipe from the turbo. Finally, kind of fought me there for a little while getting it broke loose from the downpipe so it would come out. And now I've got both O2 sensors unhooked, and I'm going to try to slide it out. There you go, guys. Downpipe is out. As you can tell, I struggled hardcore getting it out, but I did get it. So now we will put the Catless downpipe in. Alright guys, got the factory downpipe out and got the O2 sensors in the new one. Getting ready to stick it in. I was just going to show you guys a comparison. I'm super excited to hear this thing after this. Alright, originally I'd put both O2 sensors on it and ended up having to take the downstream O2 sensor off to get it in. And now I'm putting the O2 sensor back on, and then we'll just hook everything up. Alright guys, got the V-band clamp on. Just got it snug. It's still loose so I can move it. Got our new gasket here, which my old one was leaking anyways, so good thing I've got this. Alright guys, just finished the install on the downpipe. Show you guys what it looks like. This mount was a little hard to get on this downpipe, but it fit barely. And here's the turbo. I'm gonna have to zip tie one of my O2 sensor wires up. But other than that, it was a decent install. Wasn't too bad. The hardest part was getting the V-band clamp loose and then getting the catted downpipe out. But other than that, this one went in very smoothly. I'll be posting videos of what it sounds like here soon.